laugh on Twin Sanity. This is Oreo Sanity 12. Oh, we got the, oh my god, we got the dark side versus light side. Wow. And then I was thinking, you know, if you're not Vader or Luke, what a terrible drawing of Luke. You know, maybe you're this little guy, Yoda, because I bet he would love mint chip. Yoda, baby Yoda. Oreo Insanity 12. Reminder to the viewers, don't give your dogs chocolate, okay? Wow. Light versus dark. The light is all on top. Didn't you think half the cream was going to be red? Wait a second. Dark side or light side, open to discover your destiny. So some of these packs will have red. I'm light side? Impossible. It's the same old Oreo. Man, I've been tricked. I thought half of each cookie was going to be red versus blue. Or, you know, like half the cookies are going to be red, half are going to be blue. Well, now you know it's official. There is some good left in my heart. I think these have some kind of little extra sugar in them or something. Boring. Mint chip cream. Team Yoda. How weird is it that they're showing the side without the logo? When have they ever done that? I guess we're going to just double up the first one. Absolute garbage. Mint belongs in toothpaste, mouthwash, and gum. Mint does not go in anything you're supposed to swallow. How many times I gotta say this? Get your mint out my cookies, out my ice cream, out my frozen sandwiches. Ew. Who likes this? I feel like I'm brushing my teeth. Alright, Yoda. This is Series 8. 3 out of 6 are Yoda. Well, then otherwise we get an Ewok, a little dummy thing, and a droid. I just do the Yodas. I think just Series 7 we did back on Star Wars Day, May the 4th. And that Series 7 only had 2. I don't know what this little thing is he's squeezing. I guess it's his Pookie. I also found these things, Handi snacks. I did not know they still made Handi snacks, much less Oreo Handi snacks. Success opening with one hand. Dollop of crumb. Yeah, these are good. Problem is all my crumbs gone with one cookie stick. Yeah, these are real good. Take that cream, mix it in some peanut butter, not toothpaste, peanut butter. You'll have something delightful. All right, what's this guy doing? Hang on. It's okay, I believe I got light side. I feel like that gimmick is going to encourage people to open the bags in the store. Here we get baby Grogu trying on a disco shirt. He's going down to the Mos Eisley Cantina. He's going to need a flashy, peacocky sort of shirt. And here, I swear this is the same thing from Series 1. It's got a new number, 43. What has he got, a bigger baby basket nowadays? He's like a 504-year-old baby. But I swear, it's the same thing from Series 1. He was in a floaty baby basket. Alright, what did we learn today? These are garbage. These are kind of deceptive. And these are kind of awesome. Oh, yeah. Here's how the real Jedi eat their Oreos. Mandalorians, midichlorians, thumbs up. Live long and prosper.